I was deceived by the market makers in the market. And even more so, I was deceived by myself, because what a person can do to himself, no one else can do to him. I will start by getting my trading history report. I'm interested in the following 3 trades. This one, and this one. And even without opening trading view, I can tell you where my first mistake is, and it is in the money management. My plan is to risk a maximum of $25 per trade to make $50, or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Here in these 3 trades I have exceeded my rule, and of course the market just immediately punished me. The problem here was not the market. Here the problem was in the mindset. But anyways, here is where I go short on the market. Now I want to go through all the time frames to see what a fool I have to be to go short there. The horizontal line is exactly my entry. I will start with 4 hour. At 4 hour is just it's too high trade. Let me sell a little. At 1 hour then it's clear and precise how there is absolutely no signal for a short. Not a single bar of Japanese candlestick that would be bearish. At 15 minutes you can see how the price makes peak after peak and is above EMA 20. Even at 1 minute the trend is still bullish. It's still bullish. Or if I had to summarize the situation, was as follows: 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute were bullish. Yes, they all were bullish, and I go short and without a stop loss. The result is there. I have nothing more to say about this trade except a big disappointment for me. So yeah. You will probably laugh a lot, but this is the truth, and I film these things so that I don't repeat the same mistakes, or so to say, to become better and better and learn from my mistakes. Honestly, I imagine one day lying on a beach with at least 6 million in my bank account and watching this clip, exactly this clip, and enjoying life even better, because I will know what I have been through. I know that then I will laugh at myself, but everyone has a path that they must walk on their own. Without further ado, let's get back to trading. This is the second trade that really put me in an emotional imbalance. Here's the dark side of this clip, which really shows that I was played. I was deceived. I just hit the top, but that's not the worst part, because in this case apparently my goal was to close at a small loss or a profit, because as you know the gold trend is up, yeah. And now I have held on the whole time, even reaching a point where my equity was below 20%, and then when the trend turned up, I closed my position. Oh, this is the worst feeling in the world. It can't even be compared to breaking up with your ex-girlfriend, or I don't know. Really, traders will understand me. There was even a meme that is downright reality. So anyways, I bought the top and sold more or less the bottom in this situation. Next time you can follow me on MetaTrader 5, just enter the opposite position and you will make 20% of your account in less than 2 weeks. Sound fair enough? Yeah. I have nothing to say. The conclusion of this situation is just always put a stop loss. Here is my last trade. I don't even want to comment 3 trades that defy my rule of not risking more than $25 per trade. And I broke it 3 times, and the market beat me 3 times. Conclusion: always put a fucking stop loss. And just start working on your mindset. That's where you start. Until the next time, traders.